Dear students, I have already explained you the degrees of comparison, and now interchange of degrees of comparison will be explained. So we can change the degrees of comparison of an adjective or adverb without changing the meaning of the sentence. So it's very important when we interchange the degrees of comparison, the meaning of sentence should remain same, it should not change. Now study the example given below. I am as tall as he is. This sentence uses the positive adjective tall. We can express the same idea using the comparative adjective taller. Now study the sentence that is given below. He is not taller than I. You can drop am, okay? He is not taller than I. He is not taller than me. Both are correct. So note that when we compare two people or things, we do not normally use the superlative adjective. In fact, when two people are compared, two people, objects or things are compared, we cannot use superlative degree. We can use only comparative degree or positive degree. Now we have some more examples given below. Apples are not as sweet as mangoes. This sentence uses the positive degree of adjective. Mangoes are sweeter than apples. This is using comparative degree of adjective. Now you can see both the sentences, they are conveying the same meaning. Okay, but the way of saying them is different. In the first sentence we are using positive degree, and in the second sentence we are using adjective degree, comparative degree of adjective. So the meaning remains same, meaning does not change. Now the next sentence is J.K. Rowling is the most successful writer of our times. Now see, she is the most successful. Okay, that means there is no other as successful as her. So J.K. Rowling is more successful than any other writer of our times. Note the use of expression any other. No other writer of our times is as successful as J.K. Rowling. Now all the three sentences, these three sentences, they convey the same meaning. Okay, J.K. Rowling is the most successful. Now, but this is superlative. J.K. Rowling is more successful than any other writer of our times. It is comparative. And then no other writer of our times is as successful as J.K. Rowling. This is positive. So you can see these three sentences, they are using different degrees of comparison, but they are conveying the same meaning. Now study the sentence given below. J.K. Rowling is J.K. Rowling is one of the most successful writers of our time. Now see here, in this case we had most successful, here it is one of the most successful. Now what is the difference in these two sentences? This means she is the most successful. Now here it means J.K. Rowling is not the most successful writer. She is one of them. There are few others too. In this case, we can't use no other or any other when we change the degrees of comparison. Instead, we use expressions of few other and most other. Few other writers of our times are as successful as J.K. Rowling. Okay, J.K. Rowling is more successful than most other writers. Okay, now you see here, you cannot write any other or no other, because if we use any other or no other, that means she is the most successful, but she is one of the most successful. So we can write few other writers of our times are as successful as J.K. Rowling, or J.K. Rowling is more successful than most other writers of our times. Now interchange of degrees of comparison exercise is there. So first sentence, iron is more useful than any other metal. Now here iron is more useful than any other metal. So that means no other metal is as useful as iron, or iron is the most useful of all metals. Next one, platinum is the most precious metal. Now it will have the same answer as that of the previous one. Uh, Platinum is more useful than any other metal, or no other metal is as precious as platinum. Third sentence, the giraffe is taller than any other animal. Now you can say giraffe is the tallest animal, or no other animal is as tall as giraffe. Now this box is not as heavy as that box. Now here comparison is drawn between two objects, so we can interchange only it into comparative. Now this is positive, as heavy as, so it will become heavier. So that, now see, this box is not as heavy as that box, so that means that box is heavier than this box. Next sentence, Maria is prettier than Alice. Now again comparison is drawn between two people, Maria and Alice. So Maria is prettier than Alice. So that means Alice is not as pretty as Maria. The next sentence is, Shyam is the most intelligent boy in the class. So it means that no other boy is as intelligent as Shyam. Shyam is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. Next sentence, Tokyo is the most populous city in the world. So now it is similar. This is also most intelligent, this is most populous. So that means no other city is as populous as Tokyo in the world. Tokyo is more populous than any other city in the world. Mr. Yadav is the oldest member of the club. Now again it is superlative, the oldest. So no other member of the club is as old as Mr. Yadav. Mr. Yadav is older than any other member of the club. Now few playwrights write as interestingly as Bernard Shaw. So that means few playwrights write as interestingly as Bernard Shaw. So that means Bernard Shaw write more interestingly than many other writers. Then not many writers write as interestingly as Bernard Shaw. Now Mumbai is one of the richest cities in India. Now previous example I gave you in the previous slide of this J.K. Rowling is one of the most successful. So we are having it like this only, one of the richest cities in the, one of the richest cities in India. So very few cities in India are as rich as Mumbai, and Mumbai is richer than many other cities in India. So I hope the interchange of degrees is clear to all of you.